Uh-huh.
Look at this.
Didn't have to go very.
Look at the pole. Mommy, look, see? Isn't
Yeah.
it cool?
Ashley, come. Ashley.
Mommy, look at this.
Come.
Mommy.
Just a minute, honey.
Look, watch this. It's a pipe.
They slide down it. Yeah.
I know, it's so cool. So much
He's frozen.
Take a picture while you can.
I'm videoing. Go ahead and throw it. Oh, he's going up the steps with it. So cute.
Honey, he's right behind me. Oh, never mind.
He came back down. Oh, that's cute. Waddling back.
Not taking his eyes off it.
No, not at all. Like he has to throw it to you.
Can I have it? Can I have it?
Come here, Ashley.
Oh.
Come here, Ashley.
Boom.
Come here, baby.
That would have been good.
Come here, baby.
Oh, thank you.
Ashley,
Ready?
stay over here, honey.
Ready? Go. I don't know if I can do this 2 in a row. We'll see what we can do. Let's see if he did this before. Okay. He thought, and there it is.
He caught it. He caught it.
He caught on. The first time he was, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Standing next to him. Oh!
Mommy, look at me.
Is that fun, Ashley? Is that fun, Ashley?
Yeah, that's what you want. Yeah. Hey! I'm not running with you.
Oh my goodness, look what we're feeling is.
Oh, very good.
Okay. Woof, 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 woof. This is fun, Ashley. Oh, she's chasing him now. I don't think she's bothering anybody.
See if I can do this. Oh, he tried. Oh, he almost got it. Oh, you got it!
Oh, wow. That was a good one.
You get that?
Yeah.
Come on, let me have it.
He's got to throw it to you properly.
Would you calm down? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Stop. Stop. Come here. Here.
She's happy. She's just all excited.
I know. I know you want me to run. I'm busy. I'm busy throwing stuff. Yeah.
It might actually make it feel a little good to run a little bit because it's kind of cold out here.
I didn't throw it!
What are you doing, Ashley? What are you doing, Ashley? Well, he almost... No, I don't think it hit him. If it did, it didn't do anything to him.
Yeah.
It didn't even phase him. Oh, jeez. That was Ashley.
Maybe she'll do
You
it
think you're
too.
chasing him away? No, she's just chasing him.
Mommy, look at me! Mommy!
My goodness.
Yeah.
Crazy person. He's so cute. Saw that racket before, Ashley.
He's getting tired.
Slowing down a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, he needs to get a little exercise like that every day. What you doing, Ashley? What you
Boy,
doing?
that's so effort. Oh, he's gotta run around.
Come here.
Hey!
Smokey. Smokey, come here.
Smokey, come on.
Good boy. Come on, Smokey. Good boy.
Good boy. Come here.
Come on.
Come here, Smokey.
Good boy.
Come.
That's a good boy. Yeah.
Oh, he's hurt you.
You get it. Hang on. Get the camera too, okay? Ready? Set.
Oh, in the bounds. Whoa.
Oh, wow, he caught it.
Make it.
Did he bump into you, Ashley? You okay, Eddie? You okay, baby? Check it out.
Okay, one more time.
North. North. Wow.
Trot.
Yeah.
Hide it. Hide it.